side, golden sun, low tide, simple smile, gentle eyes, felt the truth, no need to hide. No diamonds, no fancy rings, just your laugh and little things. In your arms the world feel right, day by day, night by night. This is a love reggae story, written in the sand and sea. No rush, no hurry, just you and me. This is a love reggae story, under the island moon, through the storm and glory, my heart still beats for you. When the rain fall on our plans, still you reach out for my hand. Every struggle make us strong, in this life where we belong. City lights could never shine like your love in simple time. When the world feel cold and wrong, your love keeps me moving on. This is a love reggae story, written in the sand and sea. No rush, no hurry, just you and me. This is a love reggae story, under the island moon, through the storm and glory, my heart still beats for you. No perfect days, no perfect lines, just honest hearts and patient time. If love is slow, then love is true, and every road leads back to you. Morning light on your face, soft and warm, gentle grace. Every breath remind my soul, love don't rush, love takes control. From the first time till today, still I choose you every way. In this rhythm, calm and sure, your love feels real and pure. This is a love reggae story, carved in rhythm, bass and drum. Through the pain, through the glory, still my heart say you're the one. This is a love reggae story, island nights, slow and true. Till the end of all our days, I'll keep singing love for you. Under the moon, by the sea, love and roots, you and me. Even when the night feels long and the road feels unsure, your whisper keep me strong, your love is the cure. We don't need a perfect plan, just faith in what we feel. Two hearts, one steady hand, this love is real. This is a love reggae story, slow like the ocean tide, through the pain and the glory, you stay right by my side. This is a love reggae story, no crown, no luxury, just a simple promise, you're the only one for me. kiss softly replies, this is deeper than love. Time moves slow when you're near, like a song on repeat. Every doubt disappears when our hearts share the beat. This is a love reggae story, slow like the ocean tide, through the pain and the glory. You stay right by my side. This is a love reggae story, no crown, no luxury, just a simple promise. You're the only one for me. Take it slow, let it grow. Real love don't rush the flow. If tomorrow feels unsure, hold my hand, love will endure. Morning breaks with gentle sound, seabirds calling our name. In your arms I am found, still the same. From the first smile to today, nothing fades, nothing breaks. Every step on the way, love we make. This is a love reggae story, written deep in the soul. Through the calm and the worry, your love makes me whole. This is a love reggae story, island nights, slow and true, till the end of all our days. I'll keep singing love for you. Bass roll low, hearts beat slow. Island love, let it grow. I still see the same old glow from the love we chose to grow. No big stage, no loud parade, just the vows our hearts have made. In the quiet after song, we still feel where we belong. Oh, this is a love reggae story, written slow, written kind, through the changes and the worry. Your love stays on my mind. This
night feels cold and long, love will hum our favorite song. From the first look to today, still I choose you every way. In this rhythm calm and free, love keeps teaching me to be.
If I fall, you lift me up. If you doubt, I fill your cup. No forever carved in stone, just two hearts that choose their own. This is a love reggae story, not perfect, just real. Through the joy and through the worry, we say everything we feel. This is a love reggae story, under moon and morning light, till the echoes fade to silence. I'll be loving you tonight. Stay with me, slow and true. Island love, me and you. When the music fades away and the night turns into day, you'll still feel it in your chest. Love that puts the heart to rest. No last word, no goodbye, just the breeze passing by. In the silence, soft and true, love remains me and you. Love remains, roots and soul, slow and true, make us whole. Babes, breathe, dawn. When the music fades away and the night turns into day, you'll still feel it in your chest. Love that puts the heart to rest. No last word, no goodbye, just the breeze passing by. In the silence, soft and true, choose last. Every step we walk in time, heart to heart, your hand in mine. No need words when eyes can say, I'll be here, come what may. In the quiet, soft and deep, love is ours to keep. This is a love reggae story, built on trust and time. Through the rain and worry, your love still shines. This is a love reggae story, simple, strong and true. No matter where life takes me, I'm coming home to you. Old songs play on the radio, bassline hum, the night moves slow. Every memory feels alive in the way we laugh and drive. Street lights glow on island roads, heavy hearts release their load. In this moment I can see, love don't cage, love set us free. This is a love reggae story, built on trust and time. Through the rain and worry, your love still shines. This is a love reggae story, simple, strong and true. No matter where life takes me, I'm coming home to you. No rush, no fear, just truth standing here. If love is patient, love is kind, then you are love every time. When tomorrow feels unclear, I find courage when you're near. Not because the road is bright, but because we walk it right. Side by side, no need to run, two souls moving as one. In this rhythm, calm and sure, our love feels pure. This is a love reggae story, written slow in melody. Through the silence and the glory, you're the song inside